How to clear TikTok cache on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to clear TikTok cache on Android. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch the Settings application on your Android device. On the Settings section, scroll down, tap Apps. Select App Management at top of the screen. Now tap the search bar at top of the screen and type in TikTok. Once you open the app info section of TikTok, select storage uses. Now tap clear cache. Once you have done that, if you would like to clear the data, you can tap clear data. But this app's data, including files and settings, will be permanently deleted from the device if you delete the app data and you need to log in again on TikTok. So if you remember the credential, you can easily clear all the data and again log into your TikTok account. So this is how we can simply clear the TikTok cache on Android device. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.